Hello and good morning, ABC Teamers. This is Julie, and I wanted to say happy 8 days left until the kid special is over. That's $50 for 8 books and the website for 6 months and all those office supplies, catalogs, and things that come with that. $50. We don't get a kid special that comes around very often, so this is pretty special time. So we have a great reason to reach out to all our former current customers and former hostesses and whatever you name it. Those who've expressed interest, maybe slightly expressed interest, we can give them a call, give them a text, give them a message, and just say, hey, I thought you might be interested. This is a really great special. So who do we want to check in with? Well, all kinds of people. Again, past hostesses that you may have talked with before, and you want to check in and see again if maybe this is a great time now, better time for them. People you've met in the past, party attendees. If you've done booths, maybe you have some old booth leads where they filled out a slip, an interest slip, or registered for a drawing. I bet you can come up with all kinds of people. And how should we, how do we contact them? Again, text, message. There's always phone calls are great. Actually, anytime that you can get your voice in there so they can see how excited that you are about this, and how much that you feel that they will, this would be something great for them. So you could say, give them a call, or let's say it goes to voicemail, then you can give them a text and say, hey, I left you a message, and or you can do this voicemail over text, record a message and send it so that they can hear your voice, so it's really more personable. And so I bet you can be all real creative with that. So, well, as Mrs. O says in my boy's favorite PBS Kids show, she says, well, what are you waiting for? Go!